TopCosm.
Imagine this, folks. You're cruising through the vast cosmic ocean where stars twinkle like distant city lights, galaxies swirl like cream in your morning coffee, and the universe unfolds its wildest secrets just beyond our grasp. Welcome to TopCosm, where we dive headfirst into the mind-bending wonders of space. Today, we're tackling something that'll make your jaw drop and your brain buzz: the top 3 strangest objects in the cosmos. These aren't your everyday asteroids or run-of-the-mill black holes. These are the enigmas that keep astronomers up at night, scratching their heads and firing up telescopes around the globe. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a high-energy journey through the weirdest corners of the universe, Neil deGrasse Tyson style, full of awe, a dash of humor, and that irresistible pull of discovery. Let's kick things off with a visitor from beyond our stellar neighborhood, Oumuamua. Picture this: a cigar-shaped rock hurtling through space at over 196,000 miles per hour, tumbling end over end like a cosmic acrobat who's had one too many espressos. Discovered back in 2017 by astronomers in Hawaii, this interstellar interloper was the first object we'd ever spotted that didn't originate from our solar system. It's about 1,300 feet long, reddish in hue from eons of cosmic radiation bombarding its surface, and it zipped past us without so much as a hello. But here's where it gets really strange. As Oumuamua swung by the sun, it didn't just follow the expected gravitational path. It accelerated unexpectedly, speeding up like it had a hidden rocket booster. No tail of gas like a comet, no visible outgassing, just this eerie push forward. Scientists puzzled over it. Could it be a chunk of ice releasing hydrogen in a way we couldn't detect? Or, dare we dream, something artificial, like a probe from an alien civilization? Harvard's Avi Loeb even floated the idea of it being a light sail, a thin sheet propelled by starlight. Sure, the data leans toward natural explanations, like trapped molecular hydrogen venting out, but come on. Imagine if it were a relic from another star system, a messenger from the stars whispering secrets we haven't decoded yet. Oumuamua reminds us that the universe is full of drifters, wanderers from distant realms, challenging our assumptions and igniting our imagination. And get this, since then, we've spotted more interstellar objects, like 2I Borisov in 2019, a comet with a fuzzy tail, and even a new one in 2025 called C/2025 N1 Atlas, another speedy visitor with a faint coma of gas and dust, clocking in at 118,000 miles per hour. These cosmic nomads show us that space isn't empty. It's a highway of bizarre travelers, each one a puzzle piece in the grand story of the cosmos. Now, shift your gaze to a star that's acting like it's auditioning for a sci-fi thriller. Tabby star, or KIC 8462852, nestled 1,470 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. This isn't your typical twinkling beacon. Oh no, this F-type star, bigger and hotter than our sun, dims erratically, plunging in brightness by up to 22% for days at a time without any predictable pattern. Discovered by citizen scientists sifting through Kepler telescope data in 2015, it left experts baffled. Planets transiting a star cause tiny, regular dips, maybe 1% at most. But Tabby star? It's like someone keeps flipping the cosmic light switch on and off at random. Hypotheses flew like meteors. Maybe a swarm of comets shattering into dust clouds, blocking the light? Or asteroid fragments from a planetary collision? Heck, some even whispered about alien megastructures, a Dyson sphere built by an advanced civilization to harvest the star's energy, causing those irregular shadows. Picture it: enormous solar panels or habitats orbiting the star, dipping its glow as they pass in front. While that idea grabbed headlines and sparked wild debates, recent observations point more toward natural causes, like uneven dust rings or even fragments from a disrupted exomoon. But here's the kicker. Over a century, the star has dimmed overall by about 14%, and recent dips in 2017 and beyond show color changes in the light, suggesting translucent dust rather than solid objects. We've ruled out glitches in the telescope, intrinsic variability in the star itself, and even a nearby red dwarf messing things up. Tabby star is a reminder that the universe loves to throw curveballs. It's not just shining steadily, it's performing a chaotic dance that forces us to rethink what we know about stellar behavior. And who knows, as we train more eyes on it with telescopes like Hubble and ground-based networks, we might uncover even weirder twists. This star isn't just strange, it's a cosmic riddle begging to be solved, pulling us deeper into the mysteries of how stars and their surroundings evolve.
And if those weren't enough to warp your sense of reality, let's zoom out to the grandest scale with the Great Attractor, a gravitational beast lurking in the shadows, yanking entire galaxies like they're on an invisible leash. This isn't a single object, but a colossal region of space, about 150 to 250 million light-years away in the direction of the constellations Norma and Triangulum Australis. Exerting a pull so immense, it's dragging our Milky Way and hundreds of thousands of other galaxies toward it at a blistering 370 miles per second. Discovered in the 1980s through studies of cosmic microwave background radiation and galaxy motions, it revealed a deviation from the universe's uniform expansion. Galaxies aren't just flying apart, they're converging on this hidden hotspot. But why strange? Well, it's smack in the zone of avoidance, obscured by the dusty plane of our own Milky Way, making it devilishly hard to observe directly. Peering through with X-rays and infrared, we've glimpsed the Norma cluster at its core, a massive gathering of galaxies with the heft of a quadrillion suns, yet that's not enough to explain the full attraction. Enter the bigger picture. The Great Attractor is the gravitational heart of the Mauna Kea supercluster, a vast web spanning 500 million light-years, encompassing over 100,000 galaxies, including our local group with Andromeda and Virgo. It's like a cosmic drain, drawing in matter against the outward push of dark energy. Theories abound. Is it an overdensity of dark matter, invisible yet massively influential? Or a convergence of superclusters like Shapley, amplifying the pull? Recent mappings show our entire supercluster flowing toward it, but here's the twist. Dark energy will eventually win, stretching space so far that the attractor's grip loosens and will drift apart forever. The Great Attractor isn't just pulling us. It's a window into the universe's hierarchical structure, where gravity sculpts superclusters from the chaos of the Big Bang. It's a humbling force, reminding us that even on galactic scales, we're all caught in an epic tug-of-war between attraction and expansion. Whew, what a ride through the cosmos's Hall of Oddities, from the interstellar speed demon Oumuamua challenging our notions of what's natural in space, to Tabby star's unpredictable light show hinting at unseen dramas around distant suns, to the Great Attractor's invisible might reshaping the flow of galaxies. These strange objects aren't just curiosities, they're the universe's way of saying, hey humans, keep looking up, there's so much more to uncover. They spark our curiosity, fuel our science, and remind us that in this infinite expanse, the weird is wonderful, the unknown is exciting, and every discovery pulls us closer to understanding our place in the grand tapestry. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, the strangest things out there might just be the keys to unlocking the biggest questions. Thanks for joining me on TopCosm. Stay curious, stay energized, and keep exploring the stars. Until next time, this is your Cosmic Guide signing off.